Tra la la, tra la la, tra la la. I'm ready to go out. Eh? What? Who's that woman? I am that woman. Look to my hand, to my arms, my legs, my feet. Look. Oh, Eddie, come on. But I can't see. Nothing. Oh, that's good. Not so good. This morning when I got up, I hadn't got any lights in my bedroom. And so, look, I'm a total mess. One foot, the other. One foot is light blue and the other is gray. My legs are red. My hands are black and with little stars. I love stars. And my arms are purple. My body is blue. On my ears I have earrings. Too different. Oh my gosh, too different. My lips are quite black. My gosh, what a mess. What a mess. Eddie, it's a real mess. Real mess. Okay. Oh, look on my fingers. Oh my gosh, look. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings. Oh my gosh. And on my shoulder? Yes, on my shoulder I have a nice bag. A nice orange bag. Let me see. Huh. What is it? Eddie likes this. This is a mouse. A gray mouse, yes, with a red heart in his hand. I have a mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. Then I have my friend. Yes, the big dangerous crocodile. Eddie. And Eddie, come on. My gosh, what a mess. And I have a ball. A little black ball. Eddie, go. I have a little hole. A little green hole. And also I have a nice doll. She's really nice. Really nice. Okay. Her hair are black. Her eyes are brown. She has got a small nose and a small mouth. 2 arms, of course. 2 hands, quite big. 2 legs and 2 feet. Remember, 1 foot, 2 feet. Ok? Ciao bambini, stavo giocando, volevo salutarvi in modo divertente, spero di esserci riuscita. Qui c'è il mio fido aiutante, eccolo qua, lui è sempre elegante, anche al buio è riuscito a vestirsi bene, invece la teacher ha fatto su un disastro, guardate, purple, red, blue, gray, terrible, terrible. Ok, see you soon, a big kiss. Eddie, do you want to say hello to the children? Hello? Hello, children? Hello? See you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.